Welcome back to Engineering Mechanics for Superstars. In today's lecture, we will talk more about internal force diagrams, and specifically, we want to now turn our force diagrams into functions so that we can describe mathematically what is really happening in our force diagrams. We, of course, have a lot of knowledge already to think ahead and to understand where we're going with this, but I want to formalize it today to actually develop the shear force function. We call that V of x, and we express it as a mathematical function dependent on the distance along the beam. So x is the distance along the beam, and so that is our goal first for the shear force. Then we will take that further towards the bending moment, and of course we will do that also for the distance along the beam, which really means for x. And then ultimately we want to graph our internal functions or our internal shear force and moment functions so that we can apply our knowledge that we generated. Let's go ahead and start with the shear force and talk about how we actually develop a function V of x.